Well, joining us now, Bhumi Pednekar. She's an actor and COVID warrior. Her campaigns, in fact, have spoken about so much in the fight against COVID. And it's wonderful to have you as a part of Dil Se Seva. Now, you've recently recovered from COVID yourself. You've started an online community called COVID Warrior. That's now 200 strong in just, 3 weeks or so. And that's mind-blowing. That's incredible. So do tell us about COVID Warrior. How did it come about? What exactly are you aiming to achieve through it?
As you rightly said, COVID Warrior started a couple of weeks ago. It started off with the state of Maharashtra because that time our state wasn't doing very well. I recently recovered from COVID and I realized that, through my personal experience, that it wasn't as easy, getting help for my loved ones. And that's when it struck me that, if it's so complicated and if I can be so panicked and, in such a stress, in such a situation of distress, what would a person who does not have the kind of access that I have, what must they go through? So it literally started off with me sharing a request for plasma on Instagram. And then my messages were full of requests, and I realized that that process was actually helping people match donors. I was like, okay, this is great. I can really utilize my social media to genuinely help people. I was like, we need to kind of add in more people to help in this process. So we started COVID Warriors. In a matter of maybe 4 hours, from just 3 people, it went on to 70 people. And today we have 200 strong volunteers. And they have genuinely been great help. Literally from verifying numbers to giving verified leads, from anything, from concentrators to cylinders to getting a bed to arranging an ambulance. We try and help the patient's family and the patient. We try and aid them to the best of our capability. There is no short, foolproof method to what we do because it is a citizen-led initiative for the people, by the people. But so far, we have managed to help quite a few people, and that's what kept us motivated.
Now, Bhumi Pednekar, you've lost so many people that were close to you to COVID. It's an unbearable pain and a despair that, in fact, actually so many people in India are suffering at the moment. It's such a huge battle in this second wave that no effort actually seems too little. But you're doing so much. Just tell us from your experience of your online platform, COVID Warrior, tell us how all of us sitting at home can try and make a difference, how we can contribute in any way, even if we don't have massive resources, how can we contribute?
I think right now, to be a part of this war, you don't really need to have any resources. I say this time and again that however you can contribute, if you have if you can contribute financially, do that. If you have time, become a volunteer. If there's a doctor in your family, and there's somebody who needs help, get them an online consultation, help somebody book an ambulance, help people verify numbers, help one person, that's also enough. I don't think you should wait for somebody to, come your way. Even if you amplify a request, that is okay. At this point, I think what's important is the intent, to want to help people, even though as you rightly said, I have gone through tragedy. We have lost people who have been very close to us. But right now, there's a certain amount of realization that kind of haunts you that there are many, many people in the same situation. So that kind of gives you the courage to move on and at least try and help save as many people as you can. So please don't wait. If you have the intention, go out there and save people.
बिल्कुल भूमिका, हम आपका धन्यवाद करते हैं कोविड वॉरियर के लिए। साथ ही जो आपके साथी हैं, आपके टीम मेट्स हैं जिन्होंने आपके साथ मदद की है लोगों की, आपको भी अच्छा ही लग रहा होगा कि किस तरह सेवा के लिए इंसानियत के नाते सब जुड़े हैं और समाज में सेवा की।
एब्सोल्युटली, बहुत ज्यादा गर्व महसूस होता है और एक अपनापन महसूस होता है। मुझे जिस तरीके की कनेक्शन मुझे इस वक्त और पिछले कुछ हफ्तों से मेरे फेलो सिटीजन से हो रही है, मेरे फैंस या सपोर्टर से हो रही है, या मेरे कलीग से हो रही है, मैंने कभी इस तरीके का भाईचारा महसूस नहीं किया है। तो एक कहीं ना कहीं एक लेवल ऑफ ऐसे लगता है कि हाँ, एक बहुत बड़ा परिवार है। जब अगर कभी मुझे जरूरत पड़े, मुझे पता है बहुत बड़ा परिवार है जो आके मुझे सहारा देगा। तो आई थिंक ये फीलिंग बहुत ही अच्छी है और इसलिए बहुत ही प्राउड, बहुत गर्व महसूस होता है।
Bhumi, and you know, your own contribution in this, in spreading awareness, it's so very important. And congratulations to you and your volunteers for wanting to be a part of that, your supporters.
Thank you.
Well,